Okay, let's make some mayonnaise. I know I've made mayonnaise on here before, but I'm making it again. I mean, maybe you like watching it as much as I like filming it. I don't know. Anyway, start with a lime. Cut a lime in half and squeeze the juice out of it. Using that thing there, just get all the juice out of it, or as much as you can get out, and then pour it into your food processor. Then you can throw some eggs in there, preferably without the shells. And once you get your eggs in there, you can add some mustard. You could measure this, it's about 2 tablespoons. Or you can just squirt some in and hope that was enough. And then you can add some rice wine vinegar, about 2 tablespoons as well. And a dash of salt. And then you can put your lid on it. Then you can put your lid on it. And take that thing out and turn it on. And then slowly drizzle your oil in. It is important to go slow with the oil because it'll be a big mess if you don't go slow with the oil. You're wanting it to not be a big mess, so go rather slow with it. And this does take a little while, and I didn't speed this up any, so you get to experience the amount of time it takes to drizzle that oil in. Now I know it's going to be tempting to just throw it all in there at once, but then you wouldn't have mayonnaise. You just have oily eggs, and that's probably not a good thing. And some might argue that mayonnaise is questionable, but I mean, it's a good base for a lot of sauces, and it's good on sandwiches and whatever else. Then once you get all that oil in there, you can pour it into a jar and put it in the refrigerator. And you're done. And there's mayonnaise.